Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today's gonna be a very exciting video, my Boxycharm BoxyLuxe unboxing. I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got this month for the BoxyLuxe. I've seen so many sneak peeks and so many amazing things that were in the box, and I'm super duper excited. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription beauty box. They have 3 different boxes that you can get with Boxycharm. So first off is the base box, and that one retails for $25, and it comes with up to 5 beauty products in there that retails with over, I believe, like $150. They also have the premium box, which is $35. It comes with, I believe, 6 to 7 beauty products, and the retailing price for that is over $175 worth of product. And then they have the quarterly one, which is the BoxyLuxe right here. So this one comes to you every 3 months, so you get it 4 times in a year, and this retails for $49.99. So the difference between each box is every month you get, if you are subscribed to the premium and the base, you get both of those every month. So you will get billed $25 and $35 and get both boxes, which is awesome. Or you can be subscribed to all 3. So if you are subscribed to the Luxe, the months that they are doing the Luxe boxes, you will not be getting a base box. You will only be getting the Luxe box plus your premium if you are on the premium list. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking about what the boxes are. I'm gonna open up the Luxe box and show you guys everything that I got inside. So opening it up, this is what the box looks like. It comes with the little pamphlet. I know some people said that they didn't get the pamphlet for the month, and that's a little odd. And also what's kind of odd is they have like paper in here instead of like the little foamy kind of stuff inside, but that's okay. So this month's box is Boxy Edgy, and I got variation number 9. So yeah, let's just grab and go. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is the Boxycharm palette, and this is created by Boxycharm itself, and this guy retails for $39. I've seen all the reviews and sneak peeks of this palette. It looks adorable, it looks gorgeous. Everything about this palette looks awesome. So this is what the colors look like. Super duper pretty. These colors are gorgeous. You can create so many different looks with these. And yeah, I will be showing you guys swatches of all these colors, and I will also be doing a separate video reviewing this palette and doing a cute little look with this. Yeah, make sure to be subscribed if you want to see like a review and an in-depth video of this palette. Up next, I have here the Murad Hydro-dynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. This retails for $70 itself. It's 15 milliliters, so that's 0.5 fluid ounces. I believe this is the full size of it, but I know I always say like I'm not really an eye cream kind of person, but I feel like every subscription box I've been subscribed to have been sending me so many eye cream things, and it's giving me a hint like, girl, you need to do something with your under eyes. So I'm actually gonna give this a try to see if I like it or not. Next 2 items I am pulling out are the Sol de Janeiro creams. So this is the Brazilian Boom Boom cream and the Coco Cabana cream. Now I do own both of these, the full size ones, and I really like it. I feel like this being a Luxe box, it should have full size, not 2 little small travel size ones. But these 2 retail for $15, if I'm reading it correctly on here. Yep. So these 2 retail for $15 altogether, so it's about $7.50 for 2 small ones. I absolutely love the original Boom Boom cream. I do like the Cabana one, but I feel like the smell is a little bit too strong and lingers on a little bit too long for me. So yeah, I don't know. And I know some people have said that they think that this smells like popcorn or something like that. A lot of people have different ways of describing the smell of this. I think it smells like coconuts and butter. but yeah, I'm not that big of a fan of it, but my husband likes this one. Next item I pulled out is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. This is in the shade Give It Up, and this lip pigment retails for $25. I'm super excited. This is the first time Boxycharm has ever had any NARS products in the box, so I'm super excited for this. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's just like this really pretty fuchsia Barbie pink kind of shade. So that is what the color looks like. It looks like it's a very, very liquidy formula though, so we'll see how I feel about that. Oh my gosh, guys, I am super duper excited for this. So this is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and this guy retails for $99 on its own. I'm super excited for this. This is like the main thing that I was looking forward to, and this literally just makes the whole box itself. But I know they had a few different colors, and the one that I got is the pink one. So I'm gonna open it up, show you guys what it looks like and everything. So they had like either a blue one, a purple one, and maybe a gray one if I'm correct. But I'm not gonna put the battery in yet. I want to show you guys how this guy looks like. So it's really, really cute. It's just this silicone little device. One side has bristles, and then the other side is more rigid, and then the bottom piece is just this really nice plastic rose gold kind of thing. And then it comes with a little plastic holder for you to hold up your little cleaning thing. You can put this on your like in your bathroom, on your vanity, wherever you want to keep it. And it has a little button right here so you can turn it on and off. So I'm gonna pop the battery in really quick, and we're gonna give this guy a little whirl. All right, so the battery is in. I'm gonna turn it on just to see how the vibration goes. Okay, so it does vibrate very, very fast. I don't know if you guys can hear it vibrating, but this bristle side is really good for cleaning the face. And then if you switch over to the side with the ridges, this will be really good for like pressing in product. And it just feels really, really nice on the face, and is very, very soft, so it's not gonna like hurt you. First button, it just kind of vibrates, and you press it again, it goes faster. You press it a third time, it starts like kind of pulsing, and then a fourth time it pulses even harder and faster, and then turns off. This is so cool, so exciting. I'm super excited for this. This is going to be upping my skincare game. All right, so we only have 3 items left in here. So this first one I'm pulling out is the Appeal Cosmetics Gel Liner. It's in the shade Muse, and it's just like this berry pink kind of color. That looks really weird, but this is what the color looks like. And then we have here the, oh, I totally forgot. So this guy retails for $21 for this little guy. So you can use this as a gel liner for your eyes or a lip liner. Then we have here the Elizabeth Mott Smooth Eyeshadow Duo. And this is $40 for the duo. So it's about $20 for $20 each pencil. And this is what the 2 colors look like. So one is like a pearly cream color, and then the other one's more of like a kind of, I don't know what color that would be, but this one, it's called Pearl, and then the darker color is called Raven. And the last item in the BoxyLuxe March box is the Deborah Lippmann Duo nail polishes. So these are the 2 colors. It comes with like this really, really pretty pink kind of watermelon-y color, and then this one right here is more of like a Barbie kind of color. And these 2 together is $19. Each bottle is 8 fluid ounces. So yeah, these colors are really, really cute, perfect for the upcoming spring. Now, I know I do giveaways in every Boxycharm video, but I just recently got off the wait list for the premium Boxycharm boxes, so I will be doing a giveaway in that video. So if you guys would like to know what products I will be giving away, make sure to stay subscribed and look out for my next Boxycharm video. I promise you guys that video will have the giveaway. And I am going through comments trying to figure out who the winner will be for my $25 Ulta gift card giveaway that was posted in my last Boxycharm video. So make sure to check your inboxes or your emails or whatever way you told me to contact you guys for the winner. Make sure to keep a lookout in there, check your spam, and yeah, good luck to everybody who entered into the $25 gift card giveaway. I am so thankful for you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.